over the blankets. Then I'm going to teach people how to paint. If they get it wrong, they can watch again. I'm painting the clouds, even though they're brown. Then I'm painting the grass, and then I need some white. Just to wipe it on into this or put it in some water. Just that's grown up. You see what I'm painting in a minute. Just pretend it is more fun. Do you think I'm a really good drawer, Dad?
You're a very good drawer, Paula.
So I'm texting it for Maria if she has YouTube, okay? Another cloud, and that's gonna be the house with a bunch of clouds in it. This thing looks like it's really, really easy to play with, though. But not really, because you need to learn how. But if you don't know how, then watch. Okay? That's the dark blue. That's the bright blue. So it makes the sky more brighter. And purple would mix without black, because black is nighttime. Is red your favorite color?
I do love red.
This is for I'm talking to the other one that's watching this. But if somebody's watching this one, then they're gonna love it because they're gonna have to buy this. And this was got for my birthday from my Auntie Becca. It's my birthday right now. I smell dog farts.
But we don't even have a dog.
Yeah, we do. Dad, stop being funny. We do have a dog. And stop being funny to them when they're watching YouTube. They're trying to watch. This is what it looks like. If it's too hard with paint, just try it and then I tried paint and then water with this, but it was too hard. So you can just use this napkin instead. You can look at this one, which we're all done, and thank you for watching.